What you really need to know about the Secret Garden Glamping is... So what a lot of people don't know about my journey is how I ended up meeting my partner. It's a great story. Chelsea, God love her, I'm sure she'll be watching this and cringe at me. We met because she was one of the first guests to come and stay in the keep. So back when I built that unit, I really didn't know how to run a glamping site. Like I'd done the first couple before, was still kind of feeling my way out, really used Airbnb to kind of do all the back end work. But when I started growing the business, I started doing it all. So anyway, I went for a day out with the kids to Knowsley Safari Park. It was a great day out, but the problem with Knowsley Safari Park is you get no phone signal when you're there. Anyway, had a great time, got back to the car, had about 10 missed calls and text messages come through when I got my signal back, and it was Chelsea and her friends. So it was Chelsea and 5 of her friends, and they were all coming to check in at the keep, and they were locked out the front gate because I hadn't sent them the gate codes. So they'd been stuck there for about an hour and a half. They were furious at me, and I was, obviously I was apologetic and gave them the gate codes and everything else. And when I got back, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna come in, I'll go down, I'll take them a bottle of champagne, I'll apologise. I had no idea who it was. They were just a name on the booking. And that's how me and Chelsea met. And now, 4.5 years later, we've got our newest addition to the family, which is Nova. She's 19 months old now. Chelsea was from South Wales, so Aberdare, so it was a good 3.5, 4 hours away, which is quite hard when you're dating somebody new. But now she lives up here, she runs lots of things within the business now, she's really involved, and we've started this whole new family from something that I never expected to have. I thought that part of my life was done. I've got my son and my daughter, Noah and Sophia, love them to bits. My son's 11 now, and my daughter's 13, and I thought that part of my journey was done. But this business has brought not only a new revenue to me, but a whole new family to me. And I'm so thankful that if I hadn't had that stupid little idea to have a camping trip in the garden with the kids in COVID, none of this would be here. Nova wouldn't be here. It's amazing how those sorts of things can come from a stupid little idea like building a glamping site in your garden.